Hi, my name is Rebecca Milburn, and I'm the Executive Dean of the School of Skilled Trades, Apprenticeship, and Renewable Technology at Durham College, and I'm here to welcome you to our virtual open house. Thank you for joining us. My school is home to so many amazing programs where students receive hands-on training and instruction in a variety of disciplines, including carpentry, plumbing, trades fundamentals, HVAC, welding, industrial millwright, power engineering, electrical, elevating devices, and crane operations. In addition to all of these great programs, the Whitby campus will have a brand new 60,000 square foot training facility opening in fall 2021 to allow us to meet the demands of skilled trades. At Durham College, we are leading the way in education by providing students the opportunity to build a kit car or weld for space travel, operate a fourth-class boiler, build a house from the ground up, and operate crane simulators. We enable our students to develop career-ready skills that are required to meet the demands of today's job market by connecting students with expert faculty and providing in-demand training. Thank you very much for joining us today at Durham College's virtual open house, and I hope to see everyone on our campus in the near future.